Welcome to Cadence Pointwise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we're going to show you how you can convert grid entities to database entities using a Glyph script. In particular, I'm going to convert connectors to database curves and domains to database surfaces. The first thing I would like to show you is where you can find the script that we're going to be using today. If you go to our GitHub page, you're going to find a Glyph script that is called convert grid to database. If you go to this page, as always, you're going to find a lot of useful information about this particular script and how to use it. And of course, you're going to find our friend, the green button over there that will allow you to download a zip file with the script in question. So I have in front of you an instance of Pointwise with a very simple example that I'm going to use to show you the different things that you can do with this script. In particular, I have a structured domain, an unstructured domain, and a single connector right there. So let's go ahead and run the script in question. The first thing you see is, of course, a small window is going to show up, and that small window contains three options. The first option is convert connectors. Second option is convert domains. And once the convert domains option is selected, there is a third option over here that will allow you to decide whether you want to spline the new database surface or not. First thing I want to show you is how you can convert connectors to database curves of polynomial degree 1. So I'm going to select that option, click OK, and right here, Pointwise is telling you what you need to do next, which is, in this case, select in an interactive way one or more than one connectors. In my case, I'm going to select only one, click done, and a new database curve has been created. I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer, and you can see that new database curve has been created. If I turn off the layer that contains that connector, you can see that beautiful database curve of polynomial degree 1. The second thing I want to show you after running the script one more time is how you can actually convert domains. So I'm going to select the convert domains option, click OK, and I'm going to select interactively my structured domain, click done, and a new database surface has been created wherever that domain was. And this database surface is a database surface of polynomial degree 1, is a B-Spline surface. And last but not least, I'm going to run the script one more time, and I'm going to show you how you can convert unstructured domains into, and I'm going to turn this off, into database entity. In particular, this is going to be a database shell. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.